Okay, so we're on our way to Gunjur, and right now we're at Turntable. Well, it used to be a Turntable. Now it's a flyover. So they've changed it up a lot in this area to ease some of the traffic congestion. And once again, we've got the main man, Booba.
Yeah, hello man.
Nice one.
Nice one, yeah.
Yeah, so as we go through the areas, I'm hoping that Booba's going to let us know which area we're going through. Yeah?
No, we are going towards
Going towards Bruffield. This is what? What side is this?
Tranquil.
Tranquil.
Yeah, tranquil.
Okay.
So sono already
Bruffield main junction, yeah?
Yeah, main junction. Yeah.
Okay. So that's the...
This is the Bruffield junction.
Bruffield junction.
Yeah.
In Ghana Town now. Is there any reason why they call this Ghana Town?
Yeah.
Any reason why they call it Ghana Town?
Yeah, because there are many Ghanaians here. You know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why they call it Ghana Town.
Okay. So we're coming into Tangier now.
The fish center. Fish center.
Say again?
The fish center, you know?
Oh, the fish, yeah.
Fish center.
Yeah, the fish center, yeah?
Yeah.
Fishing village.
That's where they used to find fish, you know? People come all over from Gambia to
Just buy and get the fish, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we're in
Batokunku.
okay.
Batokunku.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we are in Tujalanka.
Okay. That was Sanyang, yeah?
Yeah, we are in Sanyang now.
Okay. All these places look the same anyway.
Yeah.
It's a good spot.
Yeah.
Good spot. It's got a centre up to my stay as well.
Yeah. Okay, thanks. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Okay. That's the boys' quarter. So the windows ain't being filled yet, Jim?
Yeah, no, this one will fill it in last time. This one is the other house.
Okay.
Not all.
Yeah, saw them, yeah. Okay, well, progress since the last time I come. Okay. You going to cart on, yeah? Okay, okay.
So at least at those video left, give the.
You got to seal it, yeah? You got to seal these, yeah?
This one.
Hmm?
The windows is only the silicone.
Just the silicone to be done, the seal, yeah? Is the electric already in?
Electrical work is done.
It's all done.
Only the fan. That one when the fan is done.
Okay.
Only the fan. The work is done.
Okay.
See the monkeys?
Oh, you got monkeys there, yeah?
Wait, I open here.
Yeah, okay. That's all right. No, that's all right. I was just checking the door. It's all right, yeah. Door put in. We're going to have the meeting tomorrow. After the meeting with Peter. Yeah. That's all done. Okay. Oh. All right, that's it. Lovely. Thank you, man.